Next match, Danger 11 versus Waspit, semi-final match at 3 p.m. Once again, Buddu on strike. Buddu faces to Mateen. First over in progress. Good shot. The ball goes on long on. It's a one bounce over the rope. Good shot by Buddu. Ball. First wide of High Tech 11. It's a white ball. Once again, Buddu on strike. Buddu faces to Mateen. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Mateen. It's a dot ball. After giving a boundary, he makes dot ball. Once again, Buddu on strike. Trying for a cut shot. But good bowling by Mateen. Good line. It's a dot ball. And last ball of the over. Only one boundary in this over. And last ball of the over. Buddu on strike. Last ball. Buddu on strike. Good shot by Buddu. It's a reverse sweep. It's a chance to the boundary. And it's a boundary. Trying for a cut shot. So trying for a pull. But good line from the bowler. Sunil. It's a dot ball. It's a dot ball. Good slow. And no chance to the fielder. It's a misfield. Trying for 3 runs. And good running between the wickets by Buddu and Saddam. It's a 3 runs. Once again, Saddam on strike. Sorry, Buddu. Buddu on strike. Buddu facing first ball of Sunil over. Good shot. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Sunil. It's a dot ball. Once again, Buddu on strike. Good shot. But this time not to the bat. It's a missed dot. Dot ball. It's a dot ball. Once again, Buddu on strike. Buddu face to Sunil. Good shot by Buddu. The ball goes on fine leg. And there is a fielder. And good stop. And easily taken 2 runs. Good batting from Buddu. Raichur. 2 runs. Last ball of the over. Once again, Buddu on strike. Buddu faces to Sunil. Oh, trying for a back shot. But good line from the bowler. Sunil. That ball and it's over. 2 overs completed. After completion of 2 overs, score moves to 14 runs without loss. Raichur 2 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 14 పరుగులు, వికెట్ నష్టపోకుండా రాయచూర్. ఈ మ్యాచ్ ఎవరైతే గెలుస్తారో వాళ్ళు సెమీస్లో ఎంటర్ అవుతారు. ఈ మ్యాచ్ గెలిచిన వాళ్ళు రేపు 11 లయన్స్తో సెకండ్ సెమీఫైనల్ పొద్దున 9:30కి ఆడతారు. టైమింగ్లో చేంజ్ ఉండదు. 9:30 అంటే 9:30. అండ్ దనిబోలా Abubakar starts from society end and in strike batsman Saddam. Saddam finishes to Abubakar. Third over in progress. Good shot, but ball is in the air. It's a chance to the catch. Good catch. Raichur lost the first wicket in the form of Saddam. Good start by Abubakar. Starts with a wicket. Good start by Abubakar. Starts with a wicket. Good bowling from Abubakar. Starts with a wicket. Buddu on strike. Good shot by Buddu. It's a bad edge and the ball goes on backside. And that ball. Once again, good bowling by Abubakar. It's a dead ball. Once again, Buddu on strike. Buddu faces to Abubakar. Good slower. Good bowling from Abubakar. Once again, dot ball. Good line. Good bowling from Abu Bakar. Once again, Buddu on strike. Buddu faces to Abu Bakar. Third over in progress. This time, good shot by Buddu. The ball comes on long off. And there is a fielder. Good stop by Jairam. Oh, it's a brilliant. It's a brilliant from Jairam. And 2 runs. 2 runs. It's a 2 runs. Brilliant fielding by Jairam. Good shot by Buddu. Once again, Buddu faces to Abu Bakar. Good batting from Buddu. Good single. And the new batsman from Raichur, Ijaz on strike. And Ijaz is facing first ball of Abu Bakar over. And the last ball of power play and last ball of this over. Ijaz on strike. Oh, good line. Good dot ball. It's a dot ball and it's over. 3 overs completed. After completion of 3 overs, score moves to 17 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Raichur 3 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 17 పరుగులు 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి Raichur. Oh, good ball. Good ball by Sunil. 4th over, first ball starts with a dot. Good shot, but ball is in there. And good effort from the fielder, safely landed. It's a good effort. And easily taken single run. Good batting from Buddu. Ijaz on strike. Ijaz with to Sunil. Ijaz on strike. Ijaz with to Sunil. Oh, good line. It's a good dot ball. Good bowling from Sunil. It's a dot ball. Once again, Ijaz visits to Sunil. Trying for a cut shot. And it's a bad edge. Chance to the boundary. And the ball is rolling, and it's a 4. Good shot by Ijaz. He opened his innings with a 4. Hit at a boundary. Once again, Ijaz visits to Sunil. 4th over in progress. Once again, trying for a cut shot. This time beaten. It's a dot ball. Good bowling by Sunil. Once again, Ijaz on strike. Oh, it's a good yakker. It's a good yakker and it's a good appeal. It's a dot ball. And it's over. 4 overs completed. After completion of 4 overs, score moves to 22 runs, loss of 1 wicket. Raichur 4 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 22 పరుగులు 1 వికెట్ నష్టానికి Raichur. 4 ओवर समाप्त होने के बाद 20 पर 2 रन, 1 विकेट नुकसान पे रायचूर। And he starts from Society end. And in strike batsman Buddu. In strike batsman Buddu. Abu Bakar well bowled in his last over. 1 over 3 runs, 1 wicket.
DJ.
In progress. Next match, Danger 11 versus Ospet. Danger 11 versus Ospet. Next match, semi-final. Trying for a reverse sweep of first ball. It's a good appeal. And it's out. And it's out. Excellent appeal by the keeper. It's a bad edge. It's a bottom. Good bowling by Abu Bakar. Once again, Michael and strike. Michael pitches to Abu Bakar. Trying for a reverse sweep and good connect of the bat and the ball goes to the boundary. Good shot by Michael. Out. Good feeling set up from the bowler. Once again, Michael on strike. Once again, trying for a reverse sweep. It's a good appeal, but wait for umpire's call. It's a not out. It's a good appeal from High Tech 11. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Abu Bakar. Once again, Michael pitches to Abu Bakar. 5th over in progress. White. It's a bottom edge, but hit it to the ground. It's a dot ball. Once again, good line from Abu Bakar. Once again, dot ball. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Abu Bakar from High Tech 11 Emignur. Trying for a big shot, but it's time. Dot ball and it's over. 5 overs completed. After completion of 5 overs, score moves to 26 runs, loss of 2 wickets, Raichur. 5 ఓవర్లు ముగిసే సమయానికి 26 పరుగులు 2 विकेट नष्टानिकी रायचूर 5 ओवर समाप्त होने के बाद 20 पर 6 रन 2 विकेट नुकसान पे रायचूर।
Eleven Lions versus this match winner on one of the biggest final. Tomorrow second match, biggest final.
Bowler name high-tech 11. It is the new bowler Muthu Nayak. Muthu Nayak, the new bowler, and Ejaz on strike. Trying for a cut shot. It's a wide ball. Muthu Nayak starts with a wide. It's a wide ball. Muthu Nayak starts with a wide. Once again, Ejaz on strike. 6th over in progress. Good shot. The ball is in there. And it's a catch out. Good catch by the fielder from high-tech 11. And good batting by Shalam. Trying for the boundary, but it's a white ball. It's another wide of the Soya. Once again, Shalam on strike. Shalam finishes 2. Muthu Nayak. Wait. It's out. Once again, good bowling by Muthu Nayak. It's out. Raichur lost the 4th wicket in the form of Shalam. Oh, trying for a cut shot, but good ball by Muthu Nayak. Once again, dot ball. Good slow ball by Muthu Nayak. It's a dot ball. Once again, toss the pitches to Muthu Nayak. It's a good appeal, but wait for umpire's call. It's a good appeal from High Tech Live and Miganur. It's a good appeal. And it's a dot ball. Once again, good bowling by Muthu Nayak. Once again, Tausi for strike. Trying for a pull shot, but ball is in there, and there is a fielder. Catch drop. It's a catch drop. It's a catch drop. Once again, good bowling by Muthu Nayak. The batsman trying for a pull, but it's a chance to the catch. It's a missed catch from High Tech Live and Miganur. A last ball of the over. Trying for a reverse sweep. Good connection, but straight to the fielder, and it's a misfield. And easily complete 1 run. It's a leg by. It's a leg by 1 run. And it's a over. 6 overs completed. After completion of 6 overs, score moves to 30 runs. Loss of 4 wickets. Raichur. Over, score moves to 30 runs. Loss of 4 wickets. 30 runs, 4 wickets. And the new bowler from High Tech 11, Montesh. Montesh. Good shot by Shalam, but not connected to the bat. Good bowling from Montesh. 7th over starts with a dot. Once again, it's a slower, but it's a wide ball. It's a wide ball. This is the first wide of Montesh innings. Shalam faces to Montesh. Good reverse sweep shot. It's a chance to the maximum, and it's a maximum. Excellent batting from Raichur. Good shot by the batsman Michael. Once again, good shot. This time ball is in the air, and it's a maximum. Excellent. Once again, good shot. This time ball is in there, and safely landed. Trying for 2 runs, and good running between the wickets. Trying for 3 runs. Wait. Wait. Wait for umpire decision. It's a 3 runs. Yeah, boundary. It's a 3 runs. Good running between the wickets by both batsmen, Tausif and Shalam. It's a 3 runs. Tausif on strike. Tausif also trying for a big hit, but not hit it to the bat. Good line from Montes. It's a dead ball. Last ball of the over. Tausif falls to Montes. 7th over, last ball. Good shot. Ball is in there. Ball is in there. It's a 1 bounce over the rope. And it's over. 7 overs completed. Good batting from Raichur.
With loss of 4 wickets. Last 3 overs for first innings. And last 3 overs for after the air Raichur.
Bowler name ana.
Bowler name please. Muthu Nayak. In the strike, Michael. Michael faces to Muthu Nayak. Shalam. It's only a single run. Tausif faces to Muthu Nayak. What tried the shot but missed it. It's the dot ball. And good bowling from Muthu Nayak. First dot ball in this over. Once again, Tausif faces to Muthu Nayak. The 8th over is in progress. The bowling from Parken. What tried the reverse shot. It's a dot ball. Back to back 2 dot balls. Good bowling from Muthu Nayak. Now good bowling from Muthu Nayak. Tausif in the strike. This time it's a white ball. One extra run added to the scoreboard of Raichur. Tausif faces to Muthu Nayak. It's a dot ball. Good comeback from the bowler Muthu Nayak. High tech 11. Today next match, Danger 11. It's a semi-final match. Danger 11 versus FM Hospet. Once again, Tausif faces to Muthu Nayak. A good shot. But it's only a single run. It's a single run. The last delivery in 8th over. Shalam faces to Muthu Nayak. Tausif face. It's a dot ball. And it's over. Good over. After completion of 8 overs, the score moves to 53 runs. Only 3 runs in this over. Only 3 runs in this over. After completion of 8 overs, the score moves to 53 with loss of 4 wickets. In the strike, Tausif. Last 2 overs in first innings. The 9th over in progress. Tausif faces to Mateen. The 9th over is in progress. Oh, good defense. It's a single run. The batsman Shalam back to the strike. Shalam faces to Mateen. And today, next match, Danger 11 versus FM Hospet. It's a semi-final match. Semi-final one in this tournament. Wow, good bowling, good comeback from the bowler Mateen. It's a dot ball. Good line and length delivery. Once again, Shalam faces to Mateen. First dot ball in this over. Shalam faces to Mateen. Tied the reverse sweep. It's a dot ball. Good delivery. It's a back-to-back 2 dot balls. And good bowling from the Mateen. A good shot from the Shalam. There is no fielder. Chance for the another run. So taken 2 runs. And good fielding from the fielder. Once again, Shalam faces to Mateen. The 9th over in progress. Shalam faces to Mateen. And umpire decision is out. Good bowling from Mateen. And challenge back to the pavilion. And last ball left for ninth over. Ibrahim faces to Mateen. It's a single run in the form of leg by. And over. After completion of 9 overs. After completion of 9 overs, the score moves to 57. 57 పరుగులు 5 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి. And last over in first innings. Last over for first innings. Nafiz, the last over in first innings. The score is 57. Loss of 5 wickets. The last over in first innings. Ibrahim. Ibrahim faces to Nafiz. Wow, good shot in the long off. A good fielding. Consider only a single run. And good fielding from the high-tech fielder. Tipaya. Tausif. Tried the shot but missed it. It's a single run in the form of leg by. Once again Ibrahim faces to Nafiz. Chance for run out. Is out. Good fielding from the the wide delivery. Extra run add to the scoreboard of Afridi Raichur. Once again Ibrahim faces to Nafiz. It's a good ball. It's a dot ball and good bowling from Nafiz. Last 2 deliveries left for first innings. A good shot in the stride, but there is a fielder. Only a single run. The last delivery in the stride. Farooq, the last delivery in first innings. A good shot, but there is a fielder. It's only a single run. And first innings completed. Danger 11 versus FM Hospet. And the openers are Abubakar, Arjun Suravaram. And today next match, semi-final one match of this tournament. Danger 11 versus FM 11 Hospet. Danger 11 versus FM 11 Hospet. Today next match. ఈ మ్యాచ్లో గెలిచిన వాళ్ళు రేపు ఉదయం 9 గంటలకి 11 లైన్స్తో సెమీఫైనల్ 2 ఆడతారు. Minaj from Raichur facing his first ball. Straight Abubakar faces 2. Minaj. Wow, great reverse shot. There is no pillar, one bounce. Cut onto a rope. The This is a dot ball. First dot ball in first over. There is small discussion between player and umpires. Today next match, Danger 11 versus FM 11 Hospet. Semi-final 1 match and semi-final 2 match is held on tomorrow. This match winner versus 11 Lions. Abubakar faces to Minaj. The ball is in the air, chance for the catch. It's a catch. An umpire decision. Out. First over. Tippaya faces to Minaj. It's a clean bowl. Excellent bowling performance from Minaj from Afridi. And good bowling performance from Minaj. Taken 2 wickets in his first over and first over of first innings, second innings. Once this time Jairam. Jairam faces to Minaj. The last delivery in second innings, first over. Jairam faces to Minaj. Wow, good ball. It's a dot ball and it's over. After completion of first over, the score moves to 4 runs. Only 4 runs considered in this over. 4 runs with loss of 2 wickets. Afridi Raichur Farooq. అన్న 2 వీలర్స్ లోపల రాకూడదు, మ్యాచ్ జరుగుతుంది ఇక్కడ. అలాగే యూట్యూబ్ లైవ్ టెలికాస్ట్ కూడా ఉంది, ప్లీజ్ కోఆపరేట్. ఇన్ ద స్ట్రైక్ న్యూ బ్యాట్స్మెన్ అర్జున్. Arjun faces to Farooq. The second over in second innings. Farooq started his bowling with dot. And second over started with dot ball. Wow. Once again it's a dot ball. Back to back 2 dot balls from the Farooq. And good bowling. And good bowling from High Tech. Sorry, Raichur. Afridi Raichur. Wow, what a bowling, what a bowling. Back to back 3 dot balls from Farooq. Excellent bowling from Farooq. Once again Arjun faces to Farooq. Good bowling from Farooq. Wow, what a good shot in the gap. The 4 runs. Good. The second over is in progress. Wow, what a good shot. The ball is made. There is fielder Niche. Oh, catch a drop from the fielder. Taken 2 runs. Good running between the wickets. And 1 life for Arjun. Arjun faces to Farooq. Umpire decision is out. Good bowling from Farooq. It's a good shot from Jairam. There is no fielder in the gap. 1 bounce. Taken 2 runs. Good running between the wickets. It's a no ball. Umpire decision is a no ball. Umpire decision is a no ball. And free chance for Jairam. Umpire decision is the final decision. It's a no ball and free chance for Jairam. First no ball in second innings. మళ్ళీ మనకి లంచ్ బ్రేక్ కావాలి, త్వరగా ఆడిపియండి. Jairam faces 2. A good shot, the ball is made, chance for the catch. Wow, good catch, should be taken. But free hit ball. It's a free hit ball. It's a wicket, but it's a free hit ball. Once again, Jairam faces to Minaj. Jairam faces to Minaj. Full toss ball. But it's a dot ball. Good bowling from Minaj. Jairam faces to Minaj. The third door in progress. A good shot. But good shot from the fielder. It's a dot ball. To the next match. Danger 11 versus FM 11 Hospet. Semi-final one match in this tournament. Once again, Jairam faces to Minaj. It's a catch taken. And good catch from the keeper. The dot ball. Good bowling from Minaj. After completion of 3 overs, the score moves to 13 runs. Loss of 4 wickets. ఇంకో మ్యాచ్ ఉంది, సెమీఫైనల్ మ్యాచ్. Now strike Nafis faces to Farooq. The fourth over is in progress. The bowling from Society end. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Farooq. Once again, Nafis faces to Farooq. A good shot from Nafis, but it's only a single run. Muthu Nayak back to a strike. Muthu Nayak faces to Farooq. The fourth over is in progress. Wow, good line and thread delivery. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Farooq. Once again, Muthu Nayak faces to Farooq. It's a white ball. This time it's a white ball. One extra run add to the scoreboard of Raichur. Sorry, High Tech. Muthu Nayak. It's a good delivery and Empire is out. And good bowling from Farooq and good catch from the wicket keeper. And fifth wicket is down for. The bowler Farooq. Naga faces to Farooq. The batting team is on pressure. Naga faces to Farooq. The fourth over is in progress. The wide delivery. Another extra run in this over. Once again, Naga faces two. Wow, excellent bowling. Excellent bowling. It's a dot ball. Good bowling from Farooq. Once again, Naga faces to Farooq. The last delivery in fourth over. Right the shot. It's a over and it's a last ball, dot ball. After completion of 4 overs, the score goes to 16 runs. 16 పరుగులు 5 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి. 16 పరుగులు 5 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి. Next match, captains, please come to the toss. Both team captain, FM11 captain and Danger 11 captain, please come to the toss. And the bowler name, please. Salam. Nafis faces to Salam. Wow, good bowling, good bowling. It's a dot ball. Salam started with his bowling. It's a dot ball. Batting team is on pressure. Nafis faces to Salam. The 5th over in progress. Fielders, don't delay the match. Next inko match undi. Umpire త్వరగా ఆడియండి. Next inko match undi. Semi-final match. It's a no ball. Umpire decision is a no ball. Umpire decision is a final decision. It's a single run, no ball plus single. Total 2 runs added to the scoreboard of Hitech 11 and free hit chance. Free hit chance for Naga. Free hit chance for Naga. Free hit. Please don't delay the match. We have another match today. This is the semi-final match. Please don't delay. Please cooperate. Free hit chance. Oh, tried the shot, but it's a dot ball. Good line and length delivery from Salam. Once again, Naga faces to Salam. The 5th over is in progress. Once again, it's a white ball. This time it's a white ball. Another extra run in this over. Umpire decision is the final decision. No arguments. Another dot ball. Good bowling from Salam. Naga faces Salam. Oh, the ball is in the air. There is no fielder for the catch. Another run also. Chance for the run out. but fielder missed the ball. It's a token 2 runs. Good running between the wickets. Last 2 deliveries in 5th over. And good shot from the Naga in the gap. 4 runs. Shalom, the last ball in 5th over. Once again the same shot. This time there is a fielder. It's only a single run. And it's over. After completion of 5 overs, the score moves to 26 runs. With loss of 5 wickets. After completion of in the strike, Naga. Naga faces to Chiru. Chiranjeevi Nagarjuna. And good delivery, it's a dot ball. Chiru started with dot ball. Once again Naga faces to Chiru. Oh, another dot ball. Back to back 2 dot balls from Chiru. Good bowling, excellent bowling. Once again Naga faces to Chiru. This time it's a white ball. 1 extra run add to the scoreboard. In the strike, Naga. Tried the shot but said it's a single run. The batsman Nafis back to the strike. Nafis faces to Chiru. The last 3 deliveries left for 6th over. Please don't delay the match. A good shot, but they straight to the fielder. Good fielding. It's only a single run. The batsman Naga back to the strike. Naga faces to Chiru. Oh, good bowling, excellent bowling from Chiru. It's a dot ball. The last ball in sixth over. ఆరవ ఓవర్లో చివరి బంతి. నాగా ఫేసెస్ టు చిరు. నాగార్జున చిరంజీవి. Oh, good shot. It's only a single run. A good over. Good over for Afridi Raichur. After completion of 6 overs, the score moves to 30 runs. 30 పరుగులు 5 వికెట్ల నష్టానికి. 30 runs with loss of 5 wickets. 24 balls. 33. Runs to win. Required run rate is 8.25 runs per over. "24 balls, 33 runs to win. High-tech 11 required. The bowler name, please. Shalam. In the strike, Naga. Naga faces to Shalam. The 7th over is in progress. 24 balls, 33 runs to win. What right the shot? The dot ball. Good bowling from Shalam. Started is over with dot. Once again, Naga faces to Shalam. Wow, good shot. Good fielding from the fielder. It's only a single run. Naga faces to Salam. Once again a good shot. This time there is a fielder. Fielder missed the ball. The boundary, 4 runs. Once again a good shot. This time it's a single run. After completion of 7 overs, the score moves to 40 runs. 40 runs with loss of 5 wickets. 18 balls, 23 runs to win. వైసీపీ నాయకులు గట్టి రఫీక్ గారు ఎక్కడున్న స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రావాలి. రఫీక్ గారు స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రావాలి. వైసీపీ నాయకులు హార్ట్లీ వెల్కమ్ సార్. ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టు ద డాష్. కెప్టెన్స్, Danger 11 captain, FM 11 Hospet captain, please come to the commentary box. The bowler Chiru, Naga faces Chiru, 18 balls, 23 runs. A good shot from Naga in the gap. The 4 runs. Excellent batting from Naga. High tech 11, fly high. Chance for another run, but satisfied with a single run. Last 2 deliveries left. 14 balls, 13 runs. A good shot, magnificent shot. The ball's in the air. It's a big six run. Required only 7 runs. This one is a catch out. Nafiz. Nafiz faces to Michael. A good shot from Nafiz. The boundary for టౌన్ సోషల్ మీడియా కన్వీనర్. గ్రౌండ్లోకి ఎవరు వెళ్ళకండి. ఇంకా 9 balls ఉన్నాయి.
అవుటర్స్ బౌండరీ లైన్ వెనకాల రండి. అవుటర్స్ బౌండరీ లైన్ వెనకాల రండి. ఇట్స్ డాట్ బాల్.
It's a dot ball. అన్న మీరు సైడ్ జరిగితే మాకు స్కోర్ కనిపించట్లేదు. ఇంకా 2 runs కొట్టాలి. మ్యాచ్ అయిపోలే అప్పుడే. ఏమైనా కావచ్చు మ్యాచ్. 7 balls, 2 runs to win. నా కామెంటరీ బాక్స్కి సైడ్ జరగండి. మా కామెంట్ ఎట్లా వేసుకో, స్కోర్ ఎట్లా వేసుకోవాలా. టుడే సెమీఫైనల్ మ్యాచ్. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాచ్ డేంజర్ 11 వర్సెస్ FM Hospet. 7 balls, 2 runs to win. A good shot. Chance for another run also. ఇంకా అయిపోలేదా? ఇంకా రాలే 2 runs కడగా. Completely taken 2 runs. High Tech 11 won the match and entered into semi-final.